little food explorers. Today, we're going to taste our way from A to Z with delicious foods. Ready? Let's bite, munch, and giggle. A is for apple pie, warm, sweet, and smells like Grandma's kitchen. One bite, and you'll say, "More, please." B is for bread. Bread can be toasted, buttered, or turned into a sandwich. It's soft, fluffy, and loves jam. C is for cheese. Cheese can be gooey on pizza, melty on burgers, or squeaky when you bite it. D is for dumpling. Dumplings are like little pillows stuffed with tasty surprises. Steam them, fry them, or pop them in soup. E is for eggs. Crack, sizzle, and flip. Eggs can be sunny side up or scrambled for breakfast power. F is for French fries. Crunchy, salty, and perfect for dipping in ketchup or sharing with friends. G is for granola. Crunch, crunch. Granola loves to swim in milk or sprinkle on yogurt. A breakfast hero. H is for hamburger. Juicy patty, melty cheese, fresh bun. Burgers make your tummy do a happy dance. I is for ice cream. Cold, creamy, and comes in every color. Vanilla, chocolate, or rainbow. What's your favorite scoop? J is for jelly. Wiggle, jiggle, and giggle. Jelly is fun on toast or wobbly on a plate. K is for kebab. Meat and veggies on a stick. Grill it and yum. A campfire favorite. L is for lasagna. Layer after layer of pasta, cheese, and sauce. It's like a tasty blanket for your tummy. M is for muffin. Muffins can be big or tiny, chocolatey or nutty. Grab one for breakfast or snack time. Halfway there, let's keep munching. N is for nachos. Crunchy chips piled high with cheese, beans, and salsa. Nachos love parties. O is for omelet. Fluffy eggs folded with cheese, veggies, or even meat. Yum! Breakfast magic. P is for pancake. Flip them high, stack them tall, drizzle, syrup, and watch them disappear. Q is for quiche. Quiche is like an egg pie. Soft inside and crispy outside. Perfect for brunch. R is for rice. Tiny grains that fill you up. Plain, fried, or in sushi. Rice goes with everything. S is for sandwich. Bread hugs tasty fillings like cheese, ham, or peanut butter. Sandwiches are lunchbox superheroes. T is for taco. Crunchy shell, spicy filling, fresh toppings. Take a big bite and say, "Olé!" U is for udon. Thick, slippery noodles swimming in warm broth. Slurp, slurp, gone. V is for veggie burger. All the burger fun, but made with yummy vegetables. Good for you and tasty too. W is for waffle. Crispy squares, sweet syrup, and maybe a dollop of whipped cream. Waffles make mornings extra special. X is for Xnapec, a spicy salsa from Mexico, made with habanero peppers and citrus. I is for yogurt, creamy, smooth, and kind to your tummy. Top it with granola or drizzle some honey. Z is for ziti. Ziti is pasta baked with sauce and lots of cheese. Scoop it up and say, "Yum!" Yay! So many yummy foods from A to Z. What's your favorite? Tell us below. Bye-bye, little chefs.